listen gentlemen, boys and girls. Today I am going to visit Cooch Beher, which is near to Bhutan. I will try my level best to go inside Bhutan. Found a train which is from Selna to Cooch Beher. Right now I am in the Selna railway station, so my train is not yet came. So it will. Guys, I am waiting for the platform, but they didn't give the platform. Right now the time is 16:44. As I convert 16:44, it's 4:44. So I'm waiting for my train platform. Here people are so crowded compared to Howrah railway station, little low, but this is also a very huge amount of crowd, right? And I'm looking whether we'll have any new dishes, and if have any new dishes I will let you know, and I will taste you whether good or not. And look here, भैया ये कितना है?
सब मिला के 10।
क्या है वो?
मटर।
हाँ,
मटर।
मटर ये थोड़ा बना दो ना। थैंक यू, ले लो। Guys, I'm going to eat this, and I will let you know whether the food is tasty or not. This is the Kolkata food. Here the people will eat like for breakfast, for dinner, for lunch. If they don't get anything, they will eat this kind of moody only. I said you my train will start on 7:40, right? So I have 2 hours more time, so I'm going to take rest in waiting room. Right now I'm going in waiting room. Yeah, the waiting room will be looking good. Like, look how fantastic the images are. Like, I'm going to enter the waiting room. You just open it. Just now I entered into the waiting hall, and the waiting hall shows very good and pretty cool, and I need to stay here 2 hours. After 2 hours I may go and have train, right? For your happiness only, I'm going to Cooch Beher to visit. I will show you entire Cooch Beher. This is the waiting hall, like how the waiting hall looks like pretty good, not bad, seems good. And I need to stay here 2 hours. I said, right? Those are my team people, like who stayed with me, and there are, like, say hi. We can get snacks, and we can get coffee and all, fruit, and we get coke, like this kind of fucking things. And I will show you. Wait. This is the washroom for men, and the washroom is like okay, not bad. Oh guys, hi. Waiting. Actually, for you, I'm going, right. I'm very excited to show you. Like, oh, shower room. This is chargeable. Oh my god. Shower 2 also chargeable. This is not good, man. Finally, my train came. I have reservation in B1. My train number is 09149 something. So my seat number is 52. I think I saw in my reservation. So I'm going to board it and going to enter the so 52, 52, 52, and 52. This is mine. for you. I'm going to visit some fantastic location. भैया स्टेशन का नाम क्या है? स्टेशन का नाम जालकोला. गाइस आई एम इन जालकोला. एक these all are the trees. My departure time is not more than 10 minutes. Guys, finally I reached Cooch Beher railway station. The journey was amazing. The experience is too good, and for you I need to take for local autos or local cabs. So I will definitely go new location and I will upload a new video for you. My team people,